In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another unboxing. So today, I'm going to be doing the Goddess Provisions monthly unboxing. This is the July box, and I do this on my channel every single month. I am so happy, grateful, and so excited to work with them every single month because they've really upped my spiritual, it just expanded my spirituality with all the tools they give, the knowledge, the digital downloads, just some new card decks that they send that just opens up a whole new world, a whole new perspective. And I love that because I always want to grow my perspective, grow my consciousness. I don't want to stay in a little box forever. And I think Goddess Provisions really helps me expand all of that because I don't know what is in here, and a lot of the time I learn and it's exciting kind of learning. It's not that boring kind of learning, let me tell you. Now, before we do get into the Goddess Provisions unboxing, I do want to let you know a few things about this box. So there's 5 to 7 full-size items in the box. As you see, every single month I do this on my channel. They usually surpass $100 to $200 of items in there, and the box is only $33 a month. But if you get like a few months at a time, like 6 months to a year, then you do get a little bit of a discount. Everything in here is cruelty-free and vegan, and they plant a tree for every box that is sold. There's free shipping in the USA. They do offer shipping worldwide, which is really good. Okay, so with that being out of the way, I've been so anxious. This has been sitting on my desk, and I'm like, I want to open this one so bad. I don't know why. I feel really excited to open this box specifically. So let's get into it and see what's in here. Okay, as we open the box, here is what it looks like inside. The first thing that I see here is something that looks like a pouch or a cloth, but you guys know what I like to do. I go down to the bottom of the box and I like to pull out that card because that card lets me know what the theme of the box is, where the things are from, how much they retail for, any discount codes I need. The card is my favorite part. A lot of you might be seeing that I did color my hair. I went darker, so probably look a little different, but look at this. Do you guys see this? I love using this on my fridge, in my journals. They're so uplifting. This one says, do you water your plants daily? And how about your soul, right? And then inside, I love, they always give two really pretty pieces of art. All may be transformed and renewed. This is going on my fridge. You want to see this every single day. Plant that into your subconscious mind, right? So everything that is in the box is right here. The description, the name of it, the store or shop or website that it's from, and discount codes from that site. First thing I see here is a really pretty pouch. Now, I've been kind of wanting to travel more. Traveling is my food that I feed my soul that it needs. And I haven't been able to do that for almost a year and a half because of pandemic and stuff. So I wanted to get a little pouch where I can keep one deck of tarot cards and have that with me everywhere I go. I always want to have a deck with me. And I think this is absolutely perfect. Look at this. How cute, right? Purple. Purple is the color for leadership, domination, third eye, crown, and my tarot deck would be perfect in here. Now, this Alchemy Visions pouch changes colors when you touch it. It does. Do you guys see how it's changing color with my body heat? My fingers are really warm right now, so wow, that's cool. I did not know that. It's decorated with alchemical symbols to remind you of your magical mastery. What a perfect pouch to put your deck of cards. And it's a $22 value. Well worth it because it's so fun. And imagine if your tarot deck gets amplified or picks up on some kind of energy, this will change color. Okay, the next thing that I see here is a black obsidian pyramid. So black obsidian is good for psychic protection, bye bad vibes, and clearing and cleansing. Black obsidian is a very good crystal for removing negative energy. I actually have one right here. I don't know if it's probably not on the camera. Look at this. I swear I have chills right down only the right side of my body right now. Just the right side of my body. That's it. This is a really highly powerful crystal right here. If you can see, it is a black obsidian, and this is for the root chakra. And the mantra, they even give you a mantra for this. This is, may the darkness be revealed so I can heal. So I'm healing a lot of past shit right now in my life. I think this came to me at the perfect time. I'm gonna put this on my spirit altar and work this for a little bit. This is the obsidian pyramid, and this stone formed from the rapid cooling of lava. Its healing energy helps illuminate darkened areas of the subconscious to reveal hidden truths, and it's a $22 value. Now, this plus this is $44. The box is $33. So already you surpassed your money. Already, I'm very impressed, very pleased with this box. The next thing I see here is Dirty Rose Chai. Oh my God. It smells like authentic chai that you would get at an Indian restaurant, like with the spices. It's that spicy chai with the good spices in there. Some people don't put the spices right. This one got it. Like, you can smell it. I'm really excited for this because I love tea. Love it. Like, I'm addicted to it. My grandpa used to drink tea like 10 times a day, and everybody always says I picked that up from him because I drink tea so much. He would have a bowl like this big, and every time he came home from work or he would visit us, like, it was expected for my mom to make him that big ass bowl of tea. Like, he loved tea. This is really weird because I feel like it just reminded me of him. Now this is the Anima Mundi Dirty Rose Chai Collagen Booster. Support your hair, nails, bones, and skin with this beautifying brew. 100% plant-based collagen, and they do give you a coupon code for 15% off their website. I'm gonna go there. And this is a $24 value. This is expensive, $24, but man, it smells so good. It smells expensive. Like, it smells like a cafe, like expensive, high-end cafe tea. Next thing that I see here looks like a toilet paper roll, but this is actually packaged pretty nicely. Let's see. It's an oil. This is from Cheeky Botanica, and it's Plant Alchemy Luxe Facial Oil. One thing I don't like is when the oils are filled just that much. Now, I know this didn't leak because there's no oil, so I don't know when, like, I sell oils and I will never send an oil out like that. Like, for me, I'm just really anal about it, but like, I mean, whatever. I am still excited to use it. It smells really good, fruity, floral, and ooh. There is this scent in there that does remind me. There's something that my grandpa used to eat. The tea grandpa, he used to eat, or as a candy or an herb or something. I don't know what it is till this day. But if I smell it, I know that it's the smell of that thing. I just don't know what it is. Now, there was another spray from Cheeky Botanica that came in another box that smelled just like it. I don't know what that ingredient is. I wish I could figure it out, but I know he kept something in he had a secret magic closet, and that closet would smell like that all the time, and this smells like it. So this is the Cheeky Botanica Plant Alchemy Facial Oil, and there's alkanet root, and I don't know what that is. Maybe that's what it is. I'm gonna look that up. If you guys know about that, let me know. But this also has pink lotus and ruby to give you an extra touch of alchemy. Okay, so this is a $58 value. If I bought this for $58 and it came like that, I would be super pissed. Like, that's just me. I would be pissed. Like, that irks me a little bit. But the smell, my God, it smells good. It smells really good. I'm really excited to use it nonetheless. $58 value, and they do give you 25% off in their shop, which I will be checking out their shop because why does it smell like that? It smells really good. The next thing I see here is a packet of Holy Santo red rose petals. Okay, so this is just red rose petals, and they do give you a 15% off coupon code. And this is $2. That's actually not bad. Not bad, $2. Now this is really good because you could use it for so many different things. Rose petals are used for money, attraction, love, healing, so many different things. You could even make tea out of it. So always could use rose petals. You could even throw it in your bath. Throw it underneath your bed. You could, there's so many things. Okay, the next thing I see here is something, it's Oracle trading cards. What? Oracle trading cards, build your own deck. And this is from Goddess Provisions. It's a collector's edition, and this is series 1. So I'm guessing this is something new. But it says Fairy Crystal Oracle Pack. So attune your elemental guardians for healing energy. Intuitively pull a card to see which stone and vibration will help you find the magic within. So these are limited edition trading cards. Collect them all and then share the magic with another goddess when it feels right. This should be fun. $4.50 value. So let's go ahead and open this. This is different. They do give you more than one card. I wonder what the whole deck looks like. That's a new way of introducing a deck. So here's the back of the cards. Super pretty. Now, we have Aquamarine, Courage, really cute. Citrine for abundance. The colors match very, very well. Watermelon Tourmaline, which is for heart healing. Amethyst, intuition. Of course, purple and amethyst. Smoky Quartz, protection. And Rose Quartz, self-love and compassion. I got the best cards of the deck. Rose Quartz, Smoky Quartz, amethyst, like all citrine, aquamarine. All the best crystals, we got them. Okay, the last thing that I see here is a box, and it says loose leaf tea strainer. I just cleaned out my tea strainer that was sitting in the sink for like a week. Not good, but I need a new one. What? Look at this. Look at this tea strainer, you guys. Look at this. Do you guys see the designs? So cute. So you put the herbs in it and you just put it right over your cup and it will infuse it. And not only that, but look at all the symbolism on here. You could put your spoon right here. There's hearts on here. There's moons, crystals, plants. So much energy in here, engraved and carved into it. Love this. I'm going to use this, of course. This retails for $22, and it's a cherry wood strainer. Made with food grade stainless steel, embellished with mystical designs, and $22. So already this box surpasses way above that $33, way above $100. So I love this. I'm really excited to use this with the tea. And the last thing that they gave is a digital bonus. It's an Ayurvedic herb guide, which you can download with this code. And then they also give you 40% off at their website. And this is a $10 course. I'm definitely going to be taking it. I want to know more about herbs that lower blood sugar, natural ways to lower blood sugar, because somehow I've been dealing with that lately a lot. And I want to find natural ways and not just rely on medication. So that, I think, came to me at the perfect time. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more content from me, head over to Patreon. If you want content about sexual healing, head over to OF. And if you want more content here, subscribe and click the bells. Your notifications are on, so you're notified every time I upload a video. And I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.